Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Nicole the Career Catalyst. I'm so excited to have you yet again in another episode of the Educational Talk series. So, in today's video, I have another amazing opportunity that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. As you know, the year is almost coming to an end, and so the opportunities are getting more and more many. So these opportunities are here to help you have a better 2025. So without further ado, I'll request you to please do the usual: like the video, share, subscribe, and let's dive in. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an amazing opportunity called the UPG Leadership Sustainability Program. Now, this program is going to be happening next year in the United States, and its aim is to bring talented global leaders from across the globe to come together and be trained in order to create a much more sustainable world. So this program happens every year and they always recruit yearly. So I'm going to walk you guys through this website and get to show you more details about this program so that you can go ahead and apply for it. So this is the website for the UPG Sustainability Leadership Program. So as you can see here, this is a movement that mobilizes individuals and organizations to support positive citizen leadership on sustainability. This movement is led by UPG Sustainability leaders, and each year they train 500 plus UPG sustainability leaders from all over the world to join the existing family of outstanding leaders who are taking action within their communities to demonstrate the power of citizens to create a more sustainable world. So as part of their actions, UPG sustainability leaders have directly trained over 86,000 citizens across the world and counting. So let's continue to scroll down and see more details about it. So some of this information, you can just go ahead and read it for yourself. Let's look a little bit about on what they're looking for. So we are building a diverse group of people who are taking positive action that helps the world to tackle sustainability challenges. And so please show us who you are, because we are not looking for the same type of people. This opportunity is free to selected applicants, and so we are looking for the most motivated among the applicants. Is your passion for and commitment to sustainability strong enough? Are you willing to stand proudly and to take your place among a family of warriors for a more sustainable world? Successful applicants always take extra steps to demonstrate their motivation to become UPG sustainability leaders. So a few details here about what they're looking for. They're looking for diversity, people who are passionate in a specific area. So example, jobs or educational options, there's no need to be passionate in all areas. So it's open for you to be passionate in any area of your field. They're also looking for people who have already taken action related to sustainability and people who have never taken action before. So as you can see, it's a good opportunity. And they're also looking for people from all world regions. They should be aged between 18 to 35 between 1st March and 31st July. People of different levels of education, people who have a strong motivation to be UPG sustainability leaders, people who are willing to take action on sustainability, and people who believe in UPG's mission to empower people to make the world a better place through positive action. So please note that between 1st March and 31st July, your age must be a minimum of 18 years and a maximum of 35 years. So please ensure that if you don't fall in this category, then unfortunately this opportunity is not for you. But if you do, then it is for you. So go ahead and read this information carefully, the evaluation guidance, and then here they are saying that as part of this application, it's strongly recommended that you submit a short video, maximum 2 minutes, to answer any of the questions from any section above or to tell us more about yourself. among other things, the video helps us evaluate your English skills. You may submit that video by clicking a link to that video application below. So to submit the video link, this is where you will need to come and submit your video link. And then when you want to proceed with the application, you just come here, click on yes, you're ready to proceed. And then it brings you more options, and then you click on that, then you click on next, and it takes you there. So on this page here, this is where you're going to upload your video. So you'll fill in your details, your subject or purpose, where you're sharing this content, and then please use this section to upload images or video content. You can use this form to add any additional content by selecting add below, and you can complete the form more than once. So here you can click whether you want to share a file, then you'll be able to upload there, or if it's a link, you'll come and paste the URL there. And then if you're choosing to go with, let's say, any of these options, whether it is a file or a link, you'll need to include the title that you're going to give to that content, and then its description. And then when we scroll down here, name of entity. So please tell us how you want this content accredited. If you leave this blank, then we may use your name, so you can maybe use. And then here, if you want to add any more content, you can come here and you click on this add button so that you're able to add more details. But if you don't have, you can just click on remove, and you will not need to add additional information. And then you'll click on confirmation, and then you submit. So now let's go back to the main application form. So this is the part where you're going to mention about yourself: name, last name, email address, and then date of birth. Then when you fill in this information, you can click on continue in order for you to proceed to the next part of the application, where they ask you a bit of questions. So yeah, this is it for the video. I don't want to go I don't want to start filling in this part because I already submitted my application over here, so I don't want to repeat the process. But in a nutshell, this is how the application form looks like. So go ahead and apply. The deadline for this opportunity is on the 31st of December 2024. So you still have some time, but just go ahead now that I've shared with you the opportunity and start applying for this amazing opportunity. I wish you all the very best. You now have all the details and information about this opportunity. So I definitely want to encourage you to go ahead and apply for it. You still have some time to submit the application, which is on, the deadline is on 31st of December 2024. So if you need any assistance with this opportunity, feel free to drop it in the comments, or if you have any questions as well, feel free to drop it in the comments and I'll respond to you. And also I also just want to thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos and to support me. I really appreciate it, guys. So let's continue to share this content, subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Bye for now.